All right, Child's Garage here. I got all the legs and the cross pieces all lag bolted together. They're just lag bolted kind of loosely. I mean, I am gonna put some construction adhesive in there later, but I just have them loose for right now. This is a big step, and just getting this far, being able to get everything lag bolted together like this is a lot of work. So I've done pretty good so far. I'm gonna cut these down to probably about here, each one, and then the backs, I don't know yet how much I'm gonna cut off, but for right now I'm gonna take the 36 grit flapper wheel and just kind of smooth everything over, then go down to like a 80 and then probably a 120 and really kind of smooth stuff over. And then I need to I'm gonna need to take the 36 grit and put a flat spot in the front and in the back, because the boards are kind of, they're not sitting very flat, so I gotta get that flattened the best that I can. It's not gonna be perfect, but once I get that done, get all my sanding done, then I will be ready to glue each one. I'll just pull the bolt out, glue it, put it back in, and do each one. And then I'll be ready to polyurethane everything. And then once I get I'll get my seat, my boards going across the seat there, and get the tailgate figured out. And then I'll be able to start cleaning that tailgate up, smoothing that over, and then that'll get clear coated as well. So that's what I'm going to work on right now, is just smoothing this over.